Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel on this bright sunny day. Today's project, we're going to install an irrigation system in our raised beds. Let's get started. Alright, so we got all of our beds ready to go, ready to plant. Got our compost, there's dirt, topsoil, all ready to go. Only thing we need now is an irrigation system. Alright, so I got an irrigation system here that I bought off Amazon. I'm going to try this out. I've never used one of these before, see how it works. One good thing I liked about it is it has either a misting nozzle on the end or it has a drip nozzle on the end. And you can use either one of them. What my plan is to run one main line all the way down the edge here on this large one, and then I'm going to run 8, or let's see, I only need 2 per row, so I'll need 4 pieces coming off running to the other side. And then on those pieces running to the other side, I'll have either drippers or spray nozzles on those, 4 of them. So like I said, I've never used these before. We'll see how it goes. Alright, got it all hooked up and ready to test. Now it didn't come with enough nozzles to be able to put 8 rows across here, so what I tried to do was put 4 rows with the atomizer nozzles so that it would get both rows at the same time. Hopefully that's the way it's going to work. Don't know, we're going to test it, see how it works. Then we'll go from there. Kind of show you how these go together. There's T-fittings that go on your hoses, and then you also have T-fittings that your nozzles will work on. And then at the end of every hose, you have a piece that caps that end of the hose off. Alright, I've got my water hooked up. I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully there's no water explosions. As you can see, these really only kind of water in one place, which is not the way I have it set up. I've got it set up to kind of water. I want it to be set up so that it kind of waters multiple rows, but that does not look like it's going to work that way. Another issue is my water supply is on this end. By the time we get out to this end, we've got no pressure, nothing coming out of the nozzle. I can't get anything out of it. And it's kind of the same way for all of them. They're all kind of low pressure at the end, higher pressure at this header up here that runs the length of the box. So what I think I'm going to do is add another header on that end and run it lengthwise all the way to the end down here and see if that helps. Alright, I found a few things that did make a pretty good difference. Number one, I had this hose running down to my water hose that was kinked off at the end. I had a little short piece on there, so I put a longer piece so the hose would be down here. I also moved the hose inlet to the center to help spread the pressure evenly between both sides. And I also added a header hose along this side to help spread the pressure evenly. But the biggest thing was my connection here was not connected all the way, and it was cutting the pressure way down. So we've got a pretty good flow going now, and it's doing much better. I also added these drippers down here on the end so I can show you what those look like. But overall, I think it works pretty good. I also bought this timer from Amazon so that I can kind of hook everything up automatically, have it automatically water, because I'm a forgetful person and I'll forget. I'll also leave a link in the description to this timer that I bought and also the irrigation kit. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Later on I'll come back and give you an update on this. In the meantime, I think you should watch this video.